Welcome to another video. Thank you for liking, subscribing for the previous video, and as we continue, let's continue supporting, and everything will be fine. So today I want to showcase the trades I took this week. As you can remember from the last video, for those who haven't watched, link is here in the bio here, and let me show you the trades that I took. So I recorded that video on Tuesday, and as you can see from Tuesday's video, this was the trade I took. This was Monday's trade. This one to $33 trade, and Tuesday I had another winner, 157, and on Wednesday I had a loser, 1% loser, $50, and on Friday I had another loser. I didn't trade on Thursday, so on Friday I had another loser, 1%. So that's a really positive day. The markets didn't really gain much this since my previous recording, but from this week has been really nice. And I was in drawdown before, as you can remember. I was started in a drawdown in this. I bought this Profam this year, so I started in drawdown 46, had one winner, one loser, and one loser here, another loser here, and I was still in drawdown at this point. So I got out of drawdown, had another winner here, then 2% losers here. So it's not bad. As you can see, the PNL is good, and this is phase 1, so we have to hit 480, which is 8%, and we'll get there. No worries. 1% risk discipline, and we'll get there. But I'm considering taking a 1.5% risk, because in these pro firms you have to be a bit aggressive in order to hit targets. But I'm not yet really there psychologically. So I will stick with a 1% risk, and hope that in a month or two I'll be able to pass phase 1 and phase 2 maybe. But never rush these things. Just go slowly. If you pass phase 1 next week, no problem. If you pass the other week, no problem. You just have to remain disciplined and take the opportunities that the markets give you. So today, let me show you the trades that I took on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and eventually on Friday. So on Monday, I had a winner. This was Monday's trade. He's somewhere here. Let me drop down to the 15. This was Monday's trade right here. I usually clear up this dashboard, these drawings, everything that you are seeing right now. I clear it up every week so that I can start afresh and have new analysis, and at least see the market from a different perspective. Maybe the market sentiment has shifted, but you still have the same drawings, so they might be clogging your mind. So I usually want to change how I view the market. So I might even do a video of me analyzing the market, and maybe I'll do it today. Yeah, actually I'll do it today and record it today. Today is on Sunday. I'm recording this video on Sunday morning, so let's show you this. Just before I go to church, let me record this. So this is the Monday trade I took. As you can see, it's Monday 10 a.m. My trades usually work out really better during the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. time window, since 11 a.m. New York time. As you can see, I also have my time in New York, because I usually trade the New York hours, and I usually my open starts at 4:30 and closes a bit at 8:30 there. So it depends on whether I'm in a trade or not. So this is the trade I took on Monday. Nice trade. The market was bearish, breaking structure right here. As you can see, took sell side liquidity, broke structure, came back, formed an order block, made nice displacement, and I took the trade in the order block, and wonderful trade. That was Monday. Let me take you through Tuesday's trade. another trade right here. I usually have my entries at the 5 minute or the 15 minute, depending on where the setup is forming. So if the setup has formed in the first, actually a 15-minute candle has 3 5-minute candles, right? So in the first 5-minute candle, if this was the first 5-minute candle, this one right here, I will wait for this movement to confirm displacement in the 15-minute candle. So I wouldn't just take it fast. So I have to make sure that the forming order block candle is the third candle of the 15-minute whole candle. So we have 3 candles in a 15-minute. We have 3 5-minute candles in a 15-minute candle. So if the order block forming candle of the 5-minute is the first candle of the trio, I will not take that trade. But if it's the third candle of the trio and it's the one forming the order block right here, or the second, this actually was the third, because as you can see, this was the third right here, I will consider taking that trade. So took this trade, had the nice order block, came, got filled right here, way later than I thought. Took a 1:2 a bit, 1:2.5, but it was a nice trade, and it was good. Then from there, my winners started taking the downturn. So I had another trade right here. We had a rejection of this on our order block, and after this rejection, I saw a good move. We took out this fair value gap right here, so I saw a good move. Took in this trade. It was a nice trade. It rejected this order block for some time, but when 12 hit, 8 p.m. my time, trade went out and took me out. No problem, it was a nice trade. Didn't have a problem with that. So we had another trade right here. This actually was a good trade, but my stop placement was off. My stop was I was close, just a few pips close. I was taken out at this point. Yeah, this was my stop at 777, 3777, and market came. Actually, at the first time when I was filled with this candle right here. I was filled in this point, and once I was filled, we had a very nice rejection, but started going back. And when we started going back, didn't close above the 50% mean threshold. Came back, took me out, then immediately rejected and went for TP. Happens in the market. We don't have a problem with that, and it's good that some of these things happen sometimes, because you learn from them. And I've had a very nice week, and we hope for a better week next week, and better trading month overall. This was a nice January. As you can see, my January was we had how many losers? This were 2 trades, if I'm not wrong. Yes, there were 2 trades. One is a 1.5 lot trade and a 1.3 lot trade, because they separate the trades. The 1.5, they separate the 1 lot and the 0.5, but it was just one trade. As you can see, the open and the open here is the same. The open here and the open here is the same. So we had this trade. This was a break even. We had this other trade right here. Nice winner right here. I think I closed this trade. I didn't take profit on it. I closed it because it started rejecting the points that I wanted it to hit. Then we had this 1% loser right here. We had this trade that I cut loss right here. It was a nice trade. Actually, it was 2 trades. One break-even trade right here. Yeah, it was a break-even trade. And then we had this trade right here. Nice 1%. Nice 2% win right here. We had another 2% win here. 2.5. 2.5 there, then 1% loss, then another 1% loss. So it was a nice month, and we hope for a better month next month. As we open February, we hope for better months, and all will be well. So let's stay focused, guys. Let's stay disciplined, and big shout out to everyone who liked the videos, and everyone who commented, everyone who supported, and like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for everything. Peace out.